Good morning, children. This is Venkatachalam, your science 2 teacher. Today, we are going to discuss a new topic: chromosome, DNA, and genes. The chromosome is an organized structure of DNA and protein. It is normally found in all living cells. Each chromosome is made up of a DNA is a tightly coiled and around the protein it's called histone. It is support the structure. They are a thread-like structures located inside the nucleus of animal and plant cells. The chromosomes are passed from one generation to another one generation. It is carrying the genetic information from one generation to another one generation. The chromosome is a Greek word chroma, which means colored, and soma means body. The chromosomes are named so because they are cellular structures or cellular body. They are strongly strained by some dye for use in research. In most of the organisms, the chromosomes are arranged in a pairs in the nucleus of cell. We have nearly 23 pairs of chromosome. So what is the structure of chromosome? What are the different types of chromosome? Today we are going to discuss. The chromosome, the term was coined by Voltaire in the year of 1888. The chromosomes are a carrier of genetic material which containing the hereditary information. Let it told. The chromosomes are normally thin, long, and thread-like structure containing two identical strands. It is called sistered chromatid. They are held together by a centromere. Each chromatid is made up of a spirally coiled thin-like structure. It is called chromanima. Chromanima has a number of head-like structure along the length which is called chromomere. Each chromosomes it is made up of DNA or RNA, and the protein and some metabolic ions are surrounding or binded. Each proteins provide a structural support to the chromosome. Each chromosome it consists of 4 parts, namely primary constructions, secondary constructions, telomere, satellite. The primary construction, there are 2 arms of a chromosome. A meet at a particular point, it is called centromere or primary construction. The centromere is a region the spindle fibers are attached to the chromosome during the cell division. So what is the centromere? It is connected the 2 arms of chromosome. The center point is called centromere. Second one, secondary constructions. Some of the chromosome possess a secondary construction at any point of a chromosome. They are known as a nuclear organizer. It means it will give a help to the formation of nucleolus in the nucleus. Third one, telomere. Telomere means end. The end of the chromosome is called telomere. Each extremity of chromosome has a polarity and prevent it from a joining in the adjacent chromosome. It maintains the stability of chromosomes. The last one, satellite. Each chromosome have an elongated knob-like appendages at one end of a chromosome is called satellite. The chromosome with containing satellite, the chromosome is called sat chromosome. So according to the position of that centromere in eukaryotic chromosome, it is classified into 4 types. One is delocentric, metacentric, submetacentric, acrocentric. Delocentric means the centromere is found on the end. They are look like a rod-shaped chromosome. Acrocentric means the centromere is found at the end with a short arm and a long arm. They are also called a rod-shaped chromosome. The next one is submetachromosome. The centromere is found near the center of the chromosome in a two unequal arms. It looks like a L-shaped of chromosome. The last one, metacentric. The centromere is occur in the center of chromosome and form a two identical equal arm. They are normally V-shaped chromosome. It is called telocentric. Chemically, each chromosome of a eukaryotic cells is composed of DNA and RNA and associated with histone and non-histone proteins. The histone protein have a basic property, have a significant role in controlling or regulating the function of a chromosomal DNA. A non-histone proteins are mostly acid and have been considered more important than histones as a regulatory molecules. Some of the non-histone protein have enzymatic activities and mostly it is important in enzymatic proteins of chromosomes are a phosphoprotein, DNA polymerase, RNA polymerase and nucleotrophosphates. The metal ions like calcium, magnesium are supposed to maintain the organization of chromosome intact. The next one is human karyotype. The number of chromosomes in all living organisms is constant one. In human being, we have 23 pairs of chromosomes. Out of 23, which 22 pairs are autosome and the 23rd pair is allosome or sex chromosome. In our body, the body cells of a sexually reproducing organism, the chromosomes are generally occur in a pairs. The condition is called diploid. 2n chromosome it is called diploid. The gametes are produced by an organism which containing a single set of chromosomes. They are said to be or called to be a haploid. So the gametes are normally haploid condition. Next one is karyotype. Karyotype means a number, size, shape of a chromosome in the cell nucleus of an organism. And if you draw the diagram in the representation of karyotype of a species is called ideogram. It consists of all metaphase chromosomes are arranged in a homologous pairs according to the decreasing the length and thickness and position of centromere, shape, etc. With 6 chromosomes are normally placed at the end of the chromosome. On the basis of number of centromere, the chromosome is again classified monocentric, dicentric, polycentric, acentric. Monocentric means a chromosome which containing only one centromere. Dicentric means with containing a two centromere. Polycentric means more than two centromere in a single chromosome. Acentric means a chromosome without centromere. Such a chromosome is represented a fleshly broken segments of chromosome which do not survive for long. Next one, the function and significance of chromosome. The number of chromosome is constant for a particular species. Therefore, the great importance in the determination of phylogeny and taxonomy of species. First one, genetic code storage. The chromosome which contains the genetic material that is required by the organism to develop and to grow. So the DNA molecules is a made up of a chain of units. It's called genes. Second one, sex determination. The human being have a 23 pairs of chromosome. Out of one pair is sex chromosome. The female have a 2 X chromosome and male have a 1 X and 1 Y chromosome. The sex of a child is determined by the chromosome passed down by the male. If X chromosome is passed out of the XY chromosome, the child will be a female. If Y chromosome is passed, a male child is developed. Third point, control of cell division. The chromosome is check successful division of cells during a process of cell division, mitosis. The last one is formation of protein and storage. The chromosomes are direct sequence of proteins formed in our body and also maintained in order that DNA. The proteins are also stored in the coil structure of chromosome. These proteins are bound to the DNA, help a proper package of DNA. Okay children, let's continue the remaining portion in next class. Take care. Bye.